CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.4. Given a scenario, install and configure common peripheral devices. External hard drive. An external hard drive is a peripheral storage device that connects to the exterior of a computing device. These external hard drives are commonly connected using a USB or Thunderbolt interface and are designed to provide additional storage space, above and beyond what a device's internal storage can offer. Configuration options for an external hard drive aren't found in the control panel or Windows settings like many other devices. Instead, all system drives, whether internal or external, are managed using the Disk Management utility. In Windows 11, you can open Disk Management by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Disk Management from the menu. From here, you can view, format, assign drive letters, or partition the external hard drive to suit your needs. This tool gives you full control over how the drive is recognized and used by the system. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.